बच्चे क्या करते हैं आपके?
सर पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं सर।
जब बड़े होंगे आपको भी ऐसे ट्रीट करेंगे वो, फिर याद आएगा आपको। जो आप शिक्षा अपने बच्चों को दे रहे हैं ना, वही आपको बाद में मिलेगी।
सर हमने कुछ ऐसा फादर से कभी ना गलत
फादर
बात
आपको,
बोली ना उनसे
फादर
कोई
किस लिए?
गलत-
आप उनके घर में रह रहे हैं, उन पे रोप जमा के रहेंगे?
नहीं सर कभी रोक नहीं
कितने
जमाई।
पैसे दिए आज तक फादर को पिछले सालों में, जब से आप कमा रहे हैं? एक ढेला भी दिया उनको?
दिया है सर हमेशा।
क्या दिया? कितने
हमेशा
दिए
सर,
बताइए।
जो 2-4 हजार रुपये जो भी होता है महीने का करवा देते हैं।
2-4 हजार रुपए मिसेज आपकी जो पढ़ाती हैं, आप काम कर।
This case,
Before my learned friend argued, we received the possession and keys of the house. We received the possession of the property. The Senior Citizen Act direction of eviction was there. We received the possession of the
from
house.
whom the petition has been taken, petition number 1 is present here, Lordship. He is the son of the respondent number 1 and 2, Lordship.
Who has the possession today?
Lordship,
Who has the possession?
possession is the possession of the property in one of the part of the room. Son is in possession, Lordship. The parents has filed an application under section 5 before
What does
the
the son do?
son is doing the business, Lordship.
What business?
He is the chef, Lordship. He is a chef.
He is a
Chef by profession and also selling the spices, Lordship.
chef. Where?
Here, Jabalpur, Lordship.
And where is he working?
He is working and here also and going to his native place where his wife is residing and minor children is residing permanently. Son is studying in
What
the
is
school,
the
Lordship.
dispute? What is the dispute?
The dispute is the father is removing me from the property, Lordship. However, in other person not, and there is no document under section 23 which executed between the parties
Who
to
is the owner of the property?
owner of the property is the parent, Lordship,
Father.
father, Lordship.
What right does the son have?
Son have a licensee in the property, Lordship.
Sorry?
Licensee, Lordship.
Residency.
Licensee, Lordship, as a he is a right
Licensee
because
क्या होता
saying the date of birth he is residing there, Lordship.
So,
So,
He becomes the owner.
but Lordship, the order as per the provision of this
if he education parents ने दी,
Lordship,
पाल पोस के बड़ा किया, कमाने लायक उन्होंने बनाया,
Lordship.
अब जब उनका समय आया तो ही इज थ्रोइंग देम आउट।
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं सर हम
Then?
सिर्फ एक सन को ये डिस्क्रिमिनेट कर रहे हैं बाकी को सेकंड को रहने दे रहे हैं
Because he is not taking care.
नो आई एम टेकिंग केयर ऑफ हर
Which parent would like to throw out a son if the son is taking care of the parent?
आई एम
आप नहीं
टेकिंग
कर रहे,
केयर
दूसरे
आई एम
ध्यान
टेकिंग
रख
केयर
रहे
ऑफ द ओनली फॉर द डिस्प्यूट फॉर टेकिंग द पोजीशन ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी दिस एप्लीकेशन हैज बीन फाइल्ड बाय द पेरेंट लॉर्डशिप
Why will a father choose one son over the other? Unless there is a reason. आपने मौका दिया, अब जाइए भुगतिए। You are not the owner. Go wherever you
May
want
I am
to.
not
You
the
are-
owner, but the act has not been compelling to pass an order under section
He is
eviction for the
working as
property.
a- he is working as a chef where?
Here लॉर्डशिप जबलपुर
जबलपुर बहुत
लॉर्डशिप
बड़ा है, जबलपुर में ढाबे भी हैं,
7
five
वचन
star
होटल है
भी
सर 7 वचन होटल है यहाँ पे उसमें काम एज ए वर्किंग एज चेफ 7 वचन होटल है यहाँ पे ये गौरी घाट के इसके पास है सर तिलवारा के पास वहाँ
तो ठीक
वर्क
है।
करता है
Father is 75 years of age.
मे बी लड़ता एक्ट डज नॉट परमिट टू टेक अ पोजीशन एज पर द सुप्रीम कोर्ट जजमेंट लेटेस्ट लॉर्डशिप इन समतोला वर्सेस में दिस जजमेंट में काइंडली बी
You
सीन
see,
लॉर्डशिप
father is the owner of the property.
मे फादर
How
इज
much
द
is he contributing towards maintenance of the parents?
आई एम रेडी टू कंट्रीब्यूट द ऑर्डर हैज नॉट
बताइए
बीन
कितना करेंगे,
लॉर्डशिप
कितना मेंटेन करेंगे?
Sir, as this honorable court deemed fit to pass an order, I am giving the maintenance lordship because the tribunal has not passed any order regarding maintenance also. Only the eviction order has been passed which has been violated under section
Is the,
23.
father here?
No. I was just so what the petition was this
Father is उस दिन जो कनेक्ट हुए थे वीसी से,
नहीं।
वो नहीं। He lives in Bhopal.
Lordship.
They lodge FIR against me.
He is working in Jabalpur.
He is working in Jabalpur and
Where
regularly
is the
visited-
house?
Bhopal.
तो फिर क्या करना?
नहीं, my family is residing there, my wife is
Family is
residing there, my
residing
son
there.
is residing there,
Family-
and I am weekly visited there, lordship, for the purpose of job.
Get your family with you. Bring your family with you.
Lordship, but the act is does not compelling as per the Supreme Court judgment that the order of eviction has been passed until and unless there is a document executed under section 23, lordship.
That is, if you are the owner of the property.
No, no,
If property is transferred to a son.
under any agreement, lordship.
No. If property is transferred to the son with the condition that he will maintain, Then 23 comes into play.
Lordship.
Property is owned in the name of the father. There is no
May-
question of 23
May
coming
there
into
is
play.
loan of the father, but the other remedies available to the father to terminate
Other
my license and
remedies available.
evict me, Lordship.
एक बात बताइए, what is
Lordship.
the right to the property?
Yes, the Supreme Court judgment on the same point has been recorded, that has been decided.
Can please check up in the Supreme Court judgment who property was in whose name?
That in the name of father, and the Supreme Court held that the son is residing as a licensee. Lordship, Samtola versus State of UP, Lordship. This judgment may be from the para number 28, Lordship. May I read the contention of this
Sure,
para number 28?
Sure, sir.
This judgment has been delivered after
What does the petitioner's wife do? What is the court held?
the court held that in every cases the eviction order has not to be passed, and the son is residing as a licensee. Therefore, the eviction order has not to be passed in the
Where is, please show.
from the para number 27. May I read, Lordship? Continue. It is the background coupled with the fact that under the Senior Citizen Act, senior citizens are simply entitled to maintenance rather than
How
eviction
big
of
is this property?
Lordship.
How big is this property? भोपाल वाली जो प्रॉपर्टी है कितनी बड़ी है?
सर इसमें बड़ी है सर, वो पिटिशनर आया, मैं उसको बुला के बता देता हूँ।
कितनी बड़ी है? पूछिए ना,
सर
कितने
उसमें
कमरे
हम
हैं?
एक रूम में रहते हैं, ऊपर सर नीचे सन रहता है, बीच में फादर रहते हुए सर।
कमरे कितने हैं?
तीन कमरे।
सर वो पिटिशनर नंबर 1 को मैं बुला लेता हूँ सर, बता देगा।
पूछ लीजिए, बुलाइए।
One more thing is there, my lord. Para 21, where my lord, they have given the undertaking before the honorable. That is what. That's
Which provision the application was moved before SDM? Also section K.
Section 4, Lordship. However, that application has also not been filed as per the rule, Lordship. Annexure P2 is the application. He is there.
What does his wife do?
बताओ।
ये सर
What does his wife do?
वो कॉलेज में जॉब करती हैं।
वो भी कमाती हैं, ये भी कमाते हैं। Why should your आपके फादर क्या करते हैं?
रिटायर हैं सर।
उनकी इनकम क्या है?
वो उनको पेंशन भी आता है और खेती का भी है और कुछ रिटायर।
खेती बाड़ी वो खुद करते हैं, आप करते हैं?
नहीं, वो कुछ अधिया में दे रखा है सर।
वो खुद खेती बाड़ी करते हैं?
हाँ, वो अधिया में दे रखा है, वो उनको वो चाचा जी को, तो वही चाचा जी देखते हैं।
चाचा जी करते हैं ना, वो फादर क्या करते हैं आपके?
नहीं, मतलब वो खेती का उन्हीं को मिलता है, मतलब उनको अधिया में दे रखा है, आधा आधा जो होता है सर।
आपका क्या हक है इस प्रॉपर्टी पे? बच्चे क्या करते हैं आपके?
सर पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं सर।
जब बड़े होंगे आपको भी ऐसे ट्रीट करेंगे वो, फिर याद आएगा आपको। जो आप शिक्षा अपने बच्चों को दे रहे हैं ना, वही आपको बाद में मिलेगी।
नहीं सर, हमने कुछ ऐसा फादर सर कभी ना
फादर
बात
आपको,
बोली ना।
फादर किस लिए? आप उनके घर में रह रहे हैं, उन पे रोप जमा के रहेंगे?
नहीं सर, कभी रोक नहीं
कितने पैसे दिए आज तक फादर को पिछले सालों में, जब से आप कमा रहे हैं? एक ढेला भी दिया उनको?
दिया है सर हमेशा।
क्या दिया? कितने दिए बताइए?
जो 2-4 हज़ार रुपये जो भी होता है महीने का करवा देते हैं।
2-4 हज़ार रुपए मिसेज आपकी पढ़ाती हैं, आप काम करते हैं?
सर मेरी वाइफ के भी सर 12,000 सैलरी है, मेरी भी।
आपकी कितनी इनकम है?
मैं 35 की सर।
ये नहीं था सर, पैसा इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं था। एफआईआर करी हम, मेरी वाइफ के खिलाफ, दोनों के खिलाफ।
इन्होंने करी है?
और हम एक्विटल हुए उसमें।
किस चीज की एफआईआर है?
सर मतलब धमकी देना, मारपीट करना, ऐसे एलिगेशन लोगों ने एफआईआर करी, गवाह हैं उसमें ये, और हमें फिर हम बरी हुए उस केस में।
मैंने कोई ऐसे FIR नहीं करी थी
बरी
सर।
हुए,
ट्रायल हुई उसमें?
ट्रायल इनको मालूम है, गवाह थे
सर मैंने सर कोई FIR नहीं करी थी, मैं लेकिन
किसने करी थी एफआईआर?
वाइफ, बड़ी
वो
गवाह।
हमने सर उसको ना खत्म करने का बहुत प्रयास करा, फिर वो केस इतना ज्यादा उलझ गया कि वो कोई
केस उलझ गया, अब आप उसको सुलझाइए कहीं और जाके,
करना चाहते।
यहाँ नहीं रहेंगे। आपने कब्जे का ये अंडरटेकिंग दिए खाली करने के लिए, अब खाली
सर
करिए।
ऊपर से हमने पूरी अपने से बनवाए थे सर, पैसे लगवाए थे, सारे लगाए थे, नीचे भी
कब
दिए।
से रह रहे हैं इस घर में?
10 साल हो गए थे, 10-12 साल।
पैदा ही आप वहाँ पे, आपके वकील साहब तो कह रहे थे आप पैदा ही यहीं हुए?
पैदा सर वो सर पैदा तो सब दूसरे उसमें थे, बेटा
हाँ जी?
हुआ था, बेटा वहाँ पैदा हुआ था।
तो ये फादर ने कब बनाया था?
ये 2007 या 8 के करीब बनाए।
तो 7 और 8 से अभी तक कितना किराया दिया उनको?
बता दो जैसे जो
कितना किराया दिया आपने?
जो
65,000 रुपये आपको लगा ना ऊपर बनाने पे?
है
कितना बनाने में लगा आपका?
सर 12 लाख के करीब लग गया।
12 लाख। और जो 2007 से लेके आज तक का इसका किराया है वो कौन देगा? 12 लाख से ज्यादा देना पड़ेगा फादर को, और अगले सारी जिंदगी मेंटेनेंस देनी पड़ेगी उनको।
मेंटेनेंस देने के तैयार है सर, कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
आप अपने लिए घर ढूंढिए, अगर मेंटेनेंस दे सकते हैं अपने लिए किराए पे कहीं और देख लीजिए, वहां शिफ्ट करिए। अंडरटेकिंग दी आपने खाली करने की, अंडरटेकिंग नहीं ऑनर करेंगे तो जेल जाएंगे।
तो फर्स्ट अंडरटेकिंग पहले एग्जीक्यूशन में दी थी, हम एक हफ्ते
Undertaking
में
has
खाली
been-
करेंगे। अभी मैंने अपलोड किया था ईआरपी पे, इन्हें 2 तारीख को फिर अंडरटेकिंग दी कि मैं खाली कर रहा हूँ, और आज खाली हो गया है। तहसीलदार ने कब्जा दे दिया, चाबी दे दी, पर इनकी अंडरटेकिंग रखी है, मैंने ईआरपी पे अपलोड करी। इन्हीं ने लिख के दी है कि मैं अपने पिताजी को आश्वासन देता हूँ कि मैं 2 तारीख को खाली करूँ। फिर आज तहसीलदार ने चाबी सुबह खाली करके पंचनामा बना के दी।
कितने भाई बहन हैं आप?
3 भाई।
और बाकी दोनों कहाँ रहते हैं?
एक सर पोलैंड में है और एक यहीं भोपाल में है।
इस घर में कौन रहता है?
एक भाई रहता
भाई रहते
है, वो
हैं,
टेक केयर
बड़ा भाई।
बड़ा
और कितना बड़ा घर है?
सर नीचे 3 कमरे हैं, ऊपर 2 कमरे हैं।
ऊपर 2 कमरे हैं। ऊपर वाला आपके पास है?
Lordship.
The son had a share in the property.
भाई कल्लू में।
Kalu
Kalum.
had a share in the property.
And it is shop.
Father was the owner. He died. Then he had 1/6 share, and there was suit pending.
Civil suits were pending.
During the pendency of the proceeding, father was died, Lordship.
Yes, but
Initial-
ultimately
initial
no
the-
will. No will. Father's property would have been inherited by him.
Initial the application has been filed, Lordship, and I have inducted in the property. Maybe I have inducted in the property as whatever be, but I have the licensee at that
Construction,
property.
you have no license is
Per- per-
terminated.
per-
License is at the will of the licensor. It stands terminated by his filing a case against you.
तो he may file the proceeding by
By
that,
filing a
he
case
may
that
adopt that
evict
remedy.
them. By filing a case evict them, your license is terminated.
No,
You
this-
gave an
in this
undertaking.
case, Lordship, as per section 23, there is no document for regarding transfer of anything, and in an application which has been filed, Annexure P2, a specific prayer for only has been made for maintenance, Lordship. Annexure P2, if those will court see the fact and the prayer clause, only the prayer for
What is section 23?
26, 23 laid down,
What
Lordship.
is section 23 that you are relying so heavily on?
Section 23 of the Act, Lordship.
Please read 23
Lordship.
and tell us how it applies to your case.
No, Lordship. Para number 23, section 23, Lordship. Transfer of property to be void in certain circumstances
Where is the transfer?
there is no transfer.
Where?
So when there is no transfer,
Please read 23.
Lordship, where any senior citizen who after the commencement of this act has transferred by way of gift or otherwise his property subject to the condition that transferee
So
shall
this doesn't
provide,
apply?
Lordship,
Doesn't apply?
so
This doesn't apply?
Lordship, it applied to in my case because there is no transfer, therefore the eviction cannot be take place.
How does it apply to you?
Lordship, the section 23 specify the fact when there is any document regarding transfer and transferee undertaking the fact that I have to maintain the certain following condition to in the lifetime of that senior citizen, Lordship.
there
And
is no
if I
transfer.
have violated the same, then the proceeding may be initiated against me.
No transfer.
There is no transfer. That's why I am saying that SDM has no power to evict me, Lordship.
Whether any relief was sought to declare any document in
No. Annexure P2 may kindly be seen. No, it is.
whether any application was filed under 23.
No application has been there for the SDM has empowered
कोई application पेश हुई थी क्या?
under provision of section 4, 5.
What happened? Our own High Court decided the issue that under 23 no eviction can be passed under the act. So matter traveled, Urmila Dixit traveled up to Supreme Court. Supreme Court interpreted this provision 23 that under 23 eviction can also be passed. So what they are interpreting under transfer has not been taken. That's why. So our own High Court divisional bench has been overturned.
Under which provision can an eviction order be passed?
My lord, that's the interpretation of Supreme Court in our own High Court's order, my lord, 23. Court says, my lord, para 25, I have uploaded the judgment, Urmila Dixit. The divisional bench of this honorable court says, my lord, no eviction can be passed under section 23. Matter travel up to Supreme Court. Supreme Court interpreted that provision only of 20.
That is 2021 S Vanita.
That is in respect of when there is a two conflicting provision. One is Domestic Violence Act, where women has filed claiming domestic act residence, right to residence. Then there is a conflicting decision. Then S Vanita deals with that. But Urmila considered that S Vanita and said that eviction can be passed.
Even in the case, the gift deed was changed.
Yes.
Gift deed was changed, therefore 23 MD.
Lordship.
Possession is taken,
Today. Yes.
handed over to you.
Yes. I have the instruction.
Here I get.
He is here, Lordship. No petition has been delivered, Lordship.
So,
My lord can confirm it from the SDM.
ये तो वैसे ही यहाँ रहते हैं, वाइफ ने दे दिया होगा पोजीशन, व्हाट रिमेन्स नाउ?
दरवाजा तोड़ के करते हैं।
घर वालों ने दे दिया कब्जा ना,
नहीं तहसीलदार ने फोर्सफुली लिया है सर।
ले लिया, ठीक है।
पंचनामा
Lordship,
बना।
page number 24 में kindly be seen what relief has been sought in before that SDM, Lordship.
Why should we interfere?
Lordship, I may amended a petition for restoration of possession, Lordship,
Twice.
grant a week, 1 week time, Lordship.
Twice undertaking even.
Undertaking and given by the wife under pressure, Lordship, given by the wife.
When did
he
you?
will also be there.
Yes, इनने भी थी।
So maybe undertaking is against the law, Lordship, that has not been that binding as the petition is pending before the Honorable
How
Court.
is it against the law?
It is against the Lordship.
What?
The
What is
eviction
this?
order cannot be passed as per the Supreme Court judgment, as per the law. This says, Lordship, until and unless there is a document executed
Mr.
between the
Shafiqullah,
parties.
Let's assume 23 doesn't apply. What is his right to the property?
Maybe right to the property, but
Tell
the
us
other
what is
remedy
his
is there,
right.
Lordship.
Tell us what is his right to the property.
He is a son, he is residing in the.
Son? Father does not want him to reside. Son can only reside so long as the father
in the
wants him
Samtola
to.
judgment, para number 29, the son has been, that point has been considered, Lordship.
Which judgment?
ये समतोला versus state of UP which I have
He
tendered,
had
Lordship.
1/6 share in the property.
Lordship, during the pendency of
He was co-owner of the property.
thereafter, as the father has been died, thereafter the court has considered the fact, Lordship. Maybe, but there is, in this case also no document is available. Para number 29 may be kindly see, Lordship. The Supreme Court has considered as a licensee I am residing there.
That doesn't
So,
apply.
Lordship.
That doesn't apply.
And application may be kindly see, Lordship. Page number 24, a specific period has been made only for the maintenance, Lordship, not for the eviction. पेज नंबर 24 में काइंडली भी सील इन द प्रेयर क्लॉज इनसे भरण पोषण लगभग 15,000 रुपए प्रतिमा दिलाने हेतु आदेश पारित करने की कृपा करें न्यायित होगा एंड दैट एप्लीकेशन हैज आल्सो बीन नॉट बीन फाइल अकॉर्डिंग टू लॉ एज पर द रूल लेड डाउन इन द अंडर द एक्ट लॉर्डशिप काइंडली रूल 4 व्हिच प्रिस्क्राइब द प्रोफार्मा फॉर फाइलिंग ऑफ द एप्लीकेशन बिफोर द ट्रिब्यूनल where the verification is also been required. In this whole application, nowhere the property description has also been not been mentioned. So which property the eviction has been sought. And the prayer clause, only the prayer has been made for the granting maintenance.
Where the object of the act has been discussed by the Honorable Supreme Court in the recent judgment of 2025, my lord. Where on the Honorable Supreme Court in para 7 it says that the framework of the act clearly notes that the law was enacted to address the plight of older persons for their care and protection. Being a welfare legislation, its provision must be construed liberally so as to advance its beneficent purpose. The court on several occasions has observed that the tribunal is well within its power to order eviction of a child or a relative from the property of a senior citizen when there is a breach of obligation to maintain the senior citizen. In the present case, despite being financially stable, the respondent has acted in breach of his statutory obligation in not allowing the appellant to reside in the property owned by him, thereby frustrating the very object of the act. High Court fell in error in allowing the petition on a completely untenable grounds, and this judgment runs in 10 paragraphs, my lord.
You see, in 23, if the property is transferred in the name of the son with certain conditions,
Lordship.
son does not comply with the conditions,
Lordship.
father can evict the son
Lordship.
and get the property back.
Yes,
So why can't an eviction order be passed
yes.
when father still owns the property?
Maybe.
If the son is not maintaining him, son is not taking care of him, why should we not liberally construe
for
23
that-
to hold that in a case where son is disputing with the father
Lordship,
and
for-
property is owned by the father, should be entitled to throw him out?
For that, other remedies available under
Why
section
should-
106 of the
in
Transfer
when-
of Property
you see,
Act, they
please-
may terminate my license.
Mr.
and thereafter-
Shafiqullah, Mr.
Lordship.
Shafiqullah,
Lordship.
you see 23 is a situation where property is in the name of the son. Even then father can evict him by showing that I had transferred this property to him to maintain me.
Lordship.
Here is a case where father still owns the property and son is occupying the property. Why can't father throw him out?
In that, there is no provision to evict the property, Lordship.
Why should we not read 23 in that fashion?
Lordship.
There are 25 of
So
the
my
class case. There are 25 of the equity class cases held. The substance of subsection 2 of section 23 as submitted by the second and third respondent is that the tribunal had the jurisdiction to pass an order directing the eviction of the appellant who is their daughter-in-law. According to the submission, the power to order eviction is implicit in the provision guaranteeing a right to receive maintenance out of an estate and the enforcement of that right. In supporting the submission, they have referred the view which has been taken by the several high courts indicating that the tribunal may order the eviction of a child or a relative from the property of a senior citizen where there has been a breach of the obligation to maintain the senior citizen, the tribunal under Senior Citizen Act 2007 may have the authority to order an eviction if it is necessary or expedient to ensure the maintenance and protection of the senior citizen or the parent. Eviction, in other words, would be an incident of the enforcement of the right to maintenance and protection, and that has been upheld by the Supreme Court. So that right is there.
Lordship,
So
my
you bring the law on this. Bring the law on this.
other judgment are not available. In spite
This
of that, I have
judgment
considered
doesn't
him.
help you.
Lordship,
In this case, son was 1/6 owner. That is not the case over here. That judgment doesn't help you. Do you have any other judgment? Show us.
it may be kept in the next week. I will prepare the case of further.
Request for judgment is made on behalf
Status
of
quo
the
may be
appellant.
order, Lordship. Status quo may be order. I have my children is residing
Status
there.
quo, they
Lordship.
have the possession. They will continue to have possession.
My other
Status quo
submission
means
is also
whatever is possession now, he already has possession. The possession now is he has possession. You are out, he is in.
That's why
Council
status quo
appearing
order has
for-
not been affected to anyone, Lordship. If the status quo order has been passed,
We are
that
not
has not
saying
to be affected to anyone.
Learned Counsel appearing for respondent number 1 submits that possession has already been obtained by the Tehsildar by physically evicting the appellant and his family, and possession has been handed over today morning to the respondent number 1. The statement is taken on record. At request of counsel for the appellant, re-notify on